So this is an example for you guys. I'm at Real Canadian. Tostitos, I'm price matching for $2 and I have a coupon for $1.50, making them 50 cents. The Purina cat food, I got a coupon for a free up to $18 and up to 2 kilogram bag. So this one's 12 bucks, so I'm getting that one. The Royale facial tissue, I have 2 coupons for $1 each, plus the PC points that I'll explain later. The Kashi cereal bars, I got the $1 off coupon. I have 4 of them to apply to the 4 boxes. And then the Coffee Mate Bliss, I have 4 $2 coupons to apply to 4 of these, and then I'll explain later. All right, coming back with haul number 2, and even better than yesterday. Less stuff, but way more savings. So first things first, Tostitos. These were originally $3.38. I price matched them, so they became $2. Purina. I contacted Purina a few weeks ago, and I just said that I love their products because this is what we buy for our cat, and they sent us a coupon for 1 free bag of Purina cat food up to 2 kilos, up to $18. So this one is 1.8 kilos. It was $11.98. So I just basically, like, off of what they had available, this is the only thing that I could get. There was various flavors and types, but in terms of quantity, this is what we got. So this was completely free. $11.98, but it was free. The Royale tissues. So we got 6 boxes here, 6 boxes here. The original price at Real Canadian was $5.98. I price matched, I believe it was Freshco. They had them for $5 each. So on top of the price matching, I had a save $1 off, save $1 off. So that made them $4 each. And then there was a Royale PC offer where if you spent $10 on Royale tissue, you would then receive 3,500 points back, which is the equivalent of $3.50. So after adding that all up, I believe it's $2.50 a box. The Kashi cereals, so the Go Lean ones, these guys, those ones are originally $4.98 at Real Canadian. I price matched them to $2.99. I think it's at Sobeys. Same thing, but these ones are originally $5.68 for the organic ones. Price matched them again at $2.99. Then I had a $1 off coupon for each box. And then on top of that, with the Checkout 51 app, you receive $1 off of each box as well. And then there's a Kashi PC offer going on where if you spent $10 on Kashi products, you would receive 5,000 points back, which is the equivalent of $5. So these originally, like original pricing, are $12. Then you take the $5 off from the PC offer. Then you remove the $4 off from Checkout 51. Then you remove the $4 off in coupons. So I actually made $1. I think it was like $1 and some change. I got 4 and I made $1. So that's kind of nice. So the $1 that I made, obviously, they don't give you $1 back. So it goes towards what you owe for your other items. So I obviously owed money for the Royale tissue. I owed 50 cents for the Tostitos, so it just applies to that. Then the Coffee Mate Bliss. So the original price for these guys at Real Canadian is $2.98. I price matched, I believe it was Fortinos, if I'm not mistaken. They were $2.75 each. So I price matched those. Then I had a coupon for $2 off each one, making them 75 cents each after the coupons. And then Checkout 51 gives you $1 back for each one. So There's 75 cents out of my pocket, but then checkout 51 gives me $1 back. So I make a quarter off of each of these. And again, it's not money that you're going to get back from the cashier. It's just going to go towards the other items you owe. So before I price matched, this was the original price, $68.43. After I price matched, the total was $50.06. So even just price matching, like, you still save quite a bit of money. So here's the receipt. You can see all the coupons that get applied afterwards. So my total when I left Real Canadian was $22.58. But again, that's not including the PC offers that I'm receiving on my card. That's not including the checkout 51 rebate that I'm getting back. So the grand total of everything I spent was $5.08, which is a 92.5% savings. So it takes a little bit of time and effort for sure, but to get all of this for $5.08 is crazy. I am gonna, like I said in the previous video, I'm actually gonna make a video right now showing you guys like where I get my coupons, the Checkout 51 app, and then I'm gonna have a list of Instagram accounts that dedicate their time to show you all the deals and how to get them. Hope you guys enjoyed.